Welcome back, guys. This is the second video of the series. So, as I said, let's take a walkthrough of this Azure Data Explorer, what all things you will see here, how these things will work here. So first you will see home here, and in the home, what you will be able to see like get a data, explore sample data with KQL, explore sample dashboard, find my partner, all these things. So you can go through these bottom things, no problem. But this is reside in the home page. Second here query. So this is query like where you can do the queries. So here you can see a cluster. It's a sample data only. We'll go with this sample data only. Next is dashboard. There is nothing you will find as of now because I have not created anything. Once you will log in, you will find everything is blank. Then there is a cluster. So you let me delete this cluster or let it be there. I will tell you how to create cluster. This is cluster which I have created for me for myself. Okay. So let's do a few actions here. Okay. So okay. For now, for example, if I have to check any tables from here, so you can do with multiple ways. Okay. First, you can write direct the table name. So for example, I'm writing here customers. Okay. Let's see whether it will give us something or not. So you can see it is giving me error. So it means unknown is there because I have selected different cluster. For example, if I will select this one, control to sales, so you can see here it is giving me the table. Now everything is looks fine to me. Okay, let me run it. So when I will run it, so you can see it is running this side and you will get the output. Okay. Um, Now, if you, for example, if you want to get, there is another way simple, you can just double click on this. So you will get the table name again here. This is the another way to get your table. Simply run this. So in the bottom, you will see the output. Okay, again, you can export this output into 2, 3 formats like CSV, Power BI. So here you can see query to Power BI, open in Excel, export in CSV. So this thing you can do it from here. It is easy for you to use it. Okay. For example, as of now, I'm taking this customer, and one thing which you have find out like when I have clicked enter. Okay, so I have clicked enter. So if you will click simply enter, it will give you the output. So now I am putting one pipe here, and so you can see there are some predefined functions are here like where, count, extend. We'll see as much as possible with this. Okay, I'm taking for example where condition. So I'm putting here where, and you can see now it is giving me the tab column option. Whatever column is available here, it is giving me the column option. So for example, I am selecting here the city. Okay, where city, and here one thing is important. In SQL, you have to just write equals to, and then you will write the country name. Okay, so here city name, I'm taking something different, so it will be easy for you to understand. Okay, let me take it Bedingo. So Ben, okay, 1 minute. Bendigo. Okay, but you can see here it is giving me an error. Why it is giving? Because I have to put one more time equals to. Once I will put, so there will be no issue. And let me run this. So you can see here now it is showing me the only city name which is Bedingo, which I have given here the condition. Next, let me put one more thing. For example, if I have to take top five, but again, if you have to take top five, top n, whatever you want, but again, you have to give some by what you want the top five or top 10. So for example, I'm taking here top. Okay. I'm taking top 10 by again. Now, uh, let me take it from the education. Okay, we'll see what all details it will give us. So you can see I have received 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 records. 10 records by the education. Okay, so that's how you can use top and where into Kusto query. Okay, so I think for this that's all. Thank you very much.